What is up, everyone? I hope everyone's enjoying another new day. As you can probably tell, this is actually going to be a free day for me. I'm actually going for training at the new job, which honestly I'm really looking forward to the new job. Now at some point today, I've got to go in and make the payment on this camera. Sorry guys. And we should be good from there. But for right now, I gotta go and get my rent money. As you can tell, it is a beautiful day. Other than the temperature, like normal. At least what counts for normal lately. It's still fairly cold. Jeez, I can't stand to have that sun in my eyes. Yeah, that's still there.
Yes!
There we go.
Ah, yeah, baby! And my throat hurts. Everybody, if you have strep throat, don't do that.
Well, it's not strep throat in your case. Truth of it is, guys, we thought it was the radio on his car. It may actually have been just a loose connection. It's running smooth. Look, notice how much smoother it's running though? It's been running a lot smoother lately.
Show them the decoration I did for Christmas.
Oh yeah. He put that on for the holiday season. Even though Thanksgiving hasn't passed yet. That's tomorrow.
She's idling down.
Always does. What you did is what they call a cold start.
Look at this. I'm getting confused.
Strap it to the dyno and do a tune-up before we build it.
Don't get them started.
We're going to be giving away to
doing it on you.
Plus, we talked to Burt Reynolds himself about what made these cars so iconic. Detroit Muscle starts right now.
Glad to see you guys joining us. This is our new V8 powered high-octane rear-wheel drive how-to show. And we're calling it Detroit Muscle.
Take that trash can that's close and dump it in my hand.
Your favorite American hot rods and muscle cars. Shoot, anything
now,
that came out of Detroit back in the day that had some
it's right there next to the chair to the
we're
left.
going to be hitting on some of the rides that are part of the new muscle car era.
Nanny did that.
Is back. We're going to take some of these awesome rides and make them even
Hey,
bigger.
here,
not to
put
do that.
it right there in front of the TV
Except for a lot
stand.
of tools. This shop is empty, so
I didn't even have to touch it.
Mama, stop!
So coming out of the gate, we wanted to put our back into it. We wanted to put
Well guys, here I am at Robbie's house. It's not quite Thanksgiving night when I got here, but check this out. This is that Chevy Love pickup truck. It'd be kind of cool to see this thing running. And yeah, it's stuffed full of his stuff. But anyways, I gotta let you guys go for a moment. Well guys, just got done. Unfortunately, someone in this house still isn't feeling too good. So yeah. There's gonna be at least one person that won't be eating Thanksgiving dinner tomorrow. I certainly will. But yeah. don't really understand why. I don't really understand it. Why? Ooh, that brick startled me. But in this household, there's always one person, there's always someone getting sick around the holidays. But anyways, guys, I'll just go ahead and do a recycle for my outro. Use the one from the prior video. I would like to I have to end the video here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell. Also, guys, I would like you to check out the links to my other channels all in the bio, along with my social media if you want to follow me there, and send in friend requests using the Facebook link I put down in the bio. Also, not only that, guys, but I would like you to check out my referral links for Epidemic Sound, Amazon Prime, SoundJ, and Fiverr. All links are in the bio. And if you guys don't know this yet, I am also a freelancer on Fiverr. So if you guys would like to check out what I do there, the link to my seller profile is also in the bio. Also, guys, the link to my merch store is in the bio, so if you guys would like to buy some, go ahead and check that link out. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed your day, and I'll see you next video.